Your kidneys are essential for maintaining your overall health, filtering toxins, balancing electrolytes, and managing critical processes like blood sugar regulation and blood pressure. However, unhealthy habits, poor diet, and conditions like diabetes can put immense pressure on your kidneys, potentially leading to chronic kidney disease, CKD, or other complications. Alarmingly, more than 37 million Americans suffer from CKD, often without realizing it until it progresses to advanced stages. Supporting your kidneys through a nutrient-rich diet can make a significant difference in improving kidney filtration, reducing inflammation, and preventing long-term damage. The right foods deliver antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients to repair and protect your kidneys naturally. In this video, we'll uncover 7 powerful foods that can help restore kidney health, boost filtration, and safeguard against future complications. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries, are among the most kidney-friendly foods you can consume. These fruits are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them suitable for individuals with chronic kidney disease. Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, they protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both of which are key factors in kidney damage. Cranberries, in particular, are known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, a common cause of kidney infections. By preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract walls, cranberries protect against complications that can escalate to kidney issues. Add fresh or frozen berries to your oatmeal, smoothies, or salads for a delicious way to support your kidneys while enhancing heart health. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, arugula, and Swiss chard are nutrient powerhouses that promote kidney function and filtration. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and magnesium, which help combat oxidative damage and inflammation in the kidneys. Leafy greens also support natural detoxification by promoting liver and kidney function. However, if you're in the advanced stages of chronic kidney disease, monitoring potassium intake is essential, as excess potassium can be harmful. Steaming or blanching these greens can reduce their potassium content while preserving their health benefits. Incorporating leafy greens into soups, smoothies, or salads can support a natural kidney cleanse and provide long-term protection. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s reduce kidney inflammation and improve blood flow, enhancing their ability to filter toxins efficiently. These healthy fats also lower triglycerides and blood pressure, reducing strain on the kidneys and supporting overall heart health, which is critical for those managing CKD. Including fatty fish in your diet twice a week or taking omega-3 supplements provides the anti-inflammatory support your kidneys need to function optimally. Garlic is another nutrient-dense food that promotes kidney health. Garlic contains sulfur compounds and antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It also helps regulate blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney damage, by improving circulation and lowering strain on blood vessels. As a low-potassium and low-sodium food, garlic is especially beneficial for individuals with chronic kidney disease treatments or early signs of kidney trouble. Adding garlic to your meals not only enhances flavor, but also delivers protective benefits for both your kidneys and cardiovascular system. Apples are a perfect snack for kidney health due to their low potassium content and high levels of fiber and antioxidants. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol and stabilizes blood sugar, reducing stress on the kidneys. This is particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes, as uncontrolled glucose levels can accelerate kidney damage. Apples also help detoxify the body by binding to toxins and supporting elimination through the digestive system. Enjoying apples raw, baked, or in salads is a simple and effective way to nourish your kidneys. Cabbage is a versatile and nutrient-packed vegetable that's especially beneficial for kidney health. Low in potassium and sodium, cabbage is safe for individuals with CKD while being rich in vitamins C, K, and B6, as well as phytochemicals that protect kidney tissues from oxidative damage. Cabbage also supports liver function, indirectly benefiting kidney detoxification processes. Whether added to soups, stews, or salads, cabbage is an affordable and powerful addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Turmeric, a golden spice renowned for its healing properties, is one of the most effective natural remedies for protecting kidney health. Its active ingredient curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against damage from toxins. Turmeric is especially beneficial for managing conditions like proteinuria, where protein leaks into the urine due to kidney dysfunction, as it helps soothe inflamed tissues. Adding turmeric to meals or taking it as a supplement can complement kidney disease treatment and slow the progression of conditions like CKD or polycystic kidney disease. Pair turmeric with black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption and maximize its benefits. These 7 foods not only improve kidney filtration, but also reduce the risk of complications like kidney stones, infections, and inflammation. A diet rich in these foods can complement medical interventions, such as kidney function tests and chronic kidney disease treatments, and even delay the need for invasive measures like dialysis. For individuals in the early stages of kidney trouble, adopting a diet that emphasizes these nutrient-dense options can help prevent further damage and promote healing. If you're already managing advanced kidney issues or undergoing kidney dialysis, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian to customize your diet. Monitoring potassium, sodium, and phosphorus intake while incorporating these kidney-supporting foods ensures that your kidneys receive the care they need without additional strain. Regular hydration, combined with these dietary changes, can further enhance kidney filtration and reduce toxin buildup. Let's summarize it. The 7 foods that improve kidney filtration and prevent future damage: berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, garlic, apples, cabbage, and turmeric, are packed with antioxidants, nutrients, and anti-inflammatory properties that protect and repair kidney tissues. These foods reduce strain on the kidneys, improve detoxification, and support long-term kidney health. Whether you're managing diabetes, hypertension, or early signs of CKD, these foods are a powerful tool for preventing complications and promoting overall wellness. Are you giving your kidneys the care they need to thrive? Start adding these superfoods to your diet today to support your kidneys and enjoy better health for years to come. And now, keep watching for more health tips.